Sino ba ang dapat maunang magkaroon ng insurance, parents or children? Generally, a good idea is ang parent muna ang magkaroon ng insurance. Allow me to share these two reasons. Number one is financial stability. Mas maraming responsibilities ang parents including ang mag-provide sa mga anak. If something were to happen sa parent, having an insurance can ensure that the family remains financially stable. Number two is income protection, especially sa parents na primary earners or breadwinners. Ang pagkakaroon ng insurance such as life or disability ay makakatulong to replace yung lost income at ma-maintain pa rin ng pamilya ang standard of living if unexpected occurs. Then, if the budget will permit, you can get the coverage for your children or dependents. Kapag meron ng coverage in place ang parents, pwede nang i-consider na magkaroon ng coverage ang mga anak. Marami pang reasons that you can consider, but we as parents play a key role in managing the needs of our family. Overall, tayo munang parents dapat ang magkaroon ng insurance para ma-insure natin na protected ang financial foundation ng ating pamilya, which in turn can benefit our children at ang ating mga dependents. Hindi mahal ang insurance. The reason why naman you are insuring yourself is because mahal mo ang pamilya mo. May mga affordable insurance na I guarantee will fit your budget. Huwag kang mahiyang magtanong sa financial advisor mo or sa kakilala mong insurance agent. I am Cha Castro. Stay safe, stay healthy, and God bless.